Bonjour, hello everybody. I want to thank you very much for this invitation. I'm very happy and honored to be here with you, here today in Geneva, the home of the human rights, I hope. I am speaking to you as a member of the Swiss National Council and of the parliamentary group Switzerland-Tibet. I am also speaking to you as a president of the Society to Threatened Peoples. I would like to address the situation in Tibet today without forgetting that we see similar problems in many parts of China and for many different minorities. I am deeply concerned about the Tibet and the violation of the human rights that are taking place there. In particular, China's efforts to assimilate and destruct Tibetan culture and to restrict freedom of speech, freedom of movement, and freedom of religion. I am also concerned about the role of Switzerland in this conflict. Switzerland holds the largest community of Tibetans in Europe.
However, Switzerland has signed a free trade agreement with China without the slightest mention of the human rights. Even our government acknowledges that the situation in China is getting worse since 2013. Even here in Switzerland, the fundamental rights of Tibetans are being violated more regularly since the free trade agreement has been in place, especially the freedom of speech, freedom of movement, and the right to privacy. Furthermore, while our government has not welcomed the Dalai Lama since 2005, it has been deepening its ties to the leaders of China. This is for me not acceptable. Switzerland has to fight harder for the values of democracy and freedom and protection of minorities. I am also troubled by the environmental issues in China and in Tibet. Deforestation, exploitation of soil, diversion of rivers have already brought serious damage to Tibet. The mountain is injured. This needs to change. Therefore, I would like to assure all of you of my full support. We have to continue to try to restore human rights in China and in Tibet. We have to address the international community towards this situation, and I hope that we will achieve a big step today in this direction. I wish you a successful forum. Thank you.